In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Skype camera not working on Windows 10. If your webcam isn't showing up in Skype or the preview is black, follow along and we'll walk through the exact settings to get it working again. We'll start by opening Windows Settings. On your desktop, right-click the Start button in the lower left corner of the screen, then click Settings. This takes you to the main hub where all the controls we need are located. Next, we'll check your camera permissions, which is often the root cause. In the settings window, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click Camera. At the top, make sure camera access is turned on. Just below that, turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera. Then, in the list of apps, find Skype and make sure it's enabled. These switches allow Windows and Skype to use the webcam. If any of them are off, Skype can't see your camera at all. Now return to the main settings page and go to Apps. Click on Apps and Features. This is where we can adjust app-specific options that sometimes impact how the camera connects. Use the search bar to type Skype. When you see Skype in the results, click the three dots to the right and select Advanced Options. This opens a detailed panel for the Skype app. Here, look for the App Permissions section and confirm that both camera and microphone are enabled. Even though we're focusing on video, Skype expects access to both, and having the microphone off can occasionally interfere with a clean setup. If your camera still isn't working, we'll try repairing Skype. In the same Advanced Options page, click Repair. This attempts to fix the app without changing your data. If that doesn't solve it, click Reset. Resetting reinstalls the app's core data and settings and may sign you out, so be ready to set it up again. It doesn't affect your personal files on the computer, but it does clear Skype's locally stored preferences. Finally, let's test the camera. Open Skype, then start a video call, or go to Settings, then Audio and Video, and check the camera preview. If you see your webcam feed, you're all set. If not, quickly revisit the permissions to confirm every toggle is on, then try again. Your Skype camera should now be working properly on Windows 10. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.